Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Skeet Lockpicking 60 and today I'm going to pick a clone quick set. This is the bidding and it was sent to me by my buddy Skeet Lockpicking, and it's his first challenge lock. It works rather smoothly, has a little hang up, but possibly T-pin or two, but let's throw it in the vise and see if I can get into it. It's locked, and I'm going to use this homemade top of the keyway wrench made by my buddy Trekmaster 30. And to stay with the theme, I'm going to use his new pick that I received from him, the swoop. And let's go to the back. That was 5, 4, 3. That was it. That was 5. Gave me a little false set. And rake it a little bit, loosen up those pins. Okay, 5 give me a little false set. Okay, let's try I go to Attila. Come on, baby. Follow that wrench. All right. All right, that was 3. That gave me a full set. Three again, gave it to me. And that was 1. 1 opened it up. Oh, sorry, I didn't have it all the way zoomed in. A little rusty, haven't picked in a few days. Okay. Alright, let's see what Skeet Lockpicking put in this bad boy. We do have the key, but I don't want to lock it. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. Look at that. Okay, set that aside. And as always, I misplaced the key. You see, they all needed to be picked. And it looks like 1, 2 is threaded. Where's my little doodad here? 1, 2 is threaded. 3 and 4 undercut. And 5 is threaded. So let's check it. Key. Come on, baby. You can do it. Oh, come on. There we go. And it's all working. Okay, so let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One, we have a spool. 2, we have a triple serrated. 3, a tiny spool. 4, a little tiny spool. And 5, a spool with some serrations in it. Let's check the top. Hold on here. There we go. Yeah, it did not want to come out. Okay, let's see what we got in the first. First chamber of the Bible. T-pinish type spool with a steel spring. A T-pin spoolish, and number 2. A serrated and 3 with a copper spring. Let's go the other way. That looks like a mushroom type spool with a serration on it. With a long copper spring. And a mushroom spool with another copper spring in it. flashlight. And nothing done to the Bible. Not bad for his first lock. Not bad for his first lock for Skeet Lockpicker, or lockpicking, I should say. So we got like I said, a spool, multiple serrated, another spool in 3, a spool in 5, serrated spool with a small diameter on 5. On the top we have, which is pretty neat. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell. There's a T-pen. And then it has some real sharp serrations on the top. And in between here, towards the bottom, it's a real sharp section there, as well as the bottom. Really neat. And then we have this. Nice T-pen with a bunch of serrations there. And then we have a serrated, a mushroom. As you see how it tapers outward, pretty sharp at the top. Another mushroom with a, I call that a spool. Then we have, we got steel, copper, and copper. So that's what we have here in this first lock for Skeet Lockpicking. Hope to see some more from him. If you like what I do, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please be safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.